In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a client, send an invoice, and set up a flat rate project. By the end, you'll be able to go from a brand new contact to a build project with confidence. Let's start by creating a client. On the left side of your screen, click on Clients to open your client list. In the upper right corner, select Create New Client. You'll see fields for contact details. Type their first name and last name so your records are accurate and easy to search. Next, enter their email address, since this is where invoices and notifications will be sent. Add their phone number as well. It's helpful for quick follow-ups or clarifications. When everything looks correct, click Save. Saving here ensures that the client is available for invoices and projects right away, and it prevents typos from following you into the billing process. Now let's move on to invoicing. On the left side, click on Invoice to open your invoice dashboard. In the top right corner, select New Invoice. You'll be prompted to choose who the invoice is for, so select a client from your list. With the client selected, you can add line items. Click to add a line and repeat as needed to include each product or service. Use clear descriptions, include quantities and rates if applicable, and make sure the amounts reflect what you agreed upon. Keeping line items specific helps your client understand exactly what they're paying for and reduces back and forth later. Once your invoice details are set, click on Send To, choose the recipient if prompted, and then click on Send Invoice. That's it. The invoice is on its way and your client will receive it at the email address you saved. Finally, let's create a project so you can track work against a clear scope. On the left side, click on Projects. In the upper right, choose Create New. You'll be offered two billing types, flat rate or hourly. For this walkthrough, select a flat rate project to keep the focus on a single project fee. Next, click on Add a Client and pick the client you just created. Enter a project name that's descriptive so you can identify it later at a glance. Then choose an end date to set expectations for delivery and to help with scheduling. When you're ready, click Save. Your project is now created and linked to the client, making it easy to keep your work, invoicing, and timelines organized. That's the complete flow. Add a client, create and send an invoice, and set up a flat rate project. Pause and rewind as needed.